नमस्कार, सलाम, सत श्री अकाल, या अली मदद, गुड इवनिंग टू कैलगरी। आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे प्रोग्राम कैलगरी फोकस में। मैं आपका होस्ट, आपका दोस्त अमृत बराड़ एक बार फिर से हाजिर हूँ आपके साथ कुछ नई जानकारी लेकर और कुछ ऐसे मुद्दे जो हम सब कैलगरी वासियों को अफेक्ट करते हैं। कुछ दिन पहले हमारे शहर में विंटर्स थी और रादर ऑल ओवर कनाडा में कह सकता हूँ विंटर्स थी, लेकिन एल्बर्टा एक ऐसा प्रोविंस है जहाँ पे काफ़ी स्नो पड़ती है। रोड्स पे स्नो जम जाती है, रोड्स की क्लीनिंग और स्नो जो साफ़ होती है वो जिम्मा होता है हमारे एक कैलगरी के डिवीज़न का, जो हमारी सिटी की डिवीज़न है, विच इज़ कॉल्ड सिटी रोड्स। जब हम स्नो की बात कर रहे थे तो हमारे साथ जुड़े थे मिस्टर ट्रॉय मैक्लाउड, जो कि डायरेक्टर हैं सिटी रोड्स के। अब समर्स आ रही हैं और समर्स का जो पहला दायित्व अब कह सकते हैं जो सिटी रोड्स के ऊपर जाता है वो होता है स्ट्रीट क्लीनिंग का, क्योंकि बहुत सारी डिब्री वहाँ पे रह जाती है जो कि उस समय डाली जाती है जब वहाँ पर स्नो होती है। और किस तरह से अब सिटी रोड्स इसको आगे लेके जाएगी इस काम को, ताकि ऑल ओवर कैलगरी जो हमारी रोड्स हैं वो साफ़ रहें और डिब्री जो कि है वो एक बहुत एक कह सकते हैं हमारी कार्स के लिए इट इज़ नॉट गुड, तो उसको कैसे काम में लाया जाएगा, उस पूरे कार्यक्रम को, उसके बारे में हम लोग बातचीत करेंगे। आइए मिलकर स्वागत करते हैं मिस्टर ट्रॉय मैक्लाउड का। सर, वेलकम टू द शो।
Thank you for having me.
Sir, on behalf of my team, I'm very much grateful to you for taking out time, always for us, and spreading your word to our viewers and listeners.
Well, thank you, and it's great to be here.
So, sir, I was just telling my viewers over here that few months back, winter started, and you were here, and you told us how the roads are taken care of by the City Roads Division,
Right.
your department, and what are the things which you do to prevent the roads to be less icy, and still accident happens, but that is part of where people don't take care of their driving habits, and if they are in a hurry, or sometimes the accidents are inevitable, they happen, if it has to happen. But I'm very sure that you guys and your team, they do everything to prevent anything happening to the Calgarians, to the families and the cars, and the safety is the main priority over there.
It is, yes, absolutely.
So now the summers is coming, though the COVID is there, but still people are looking forward to the summer season, and still a lot of people are working from home. So the number of cars are still quite a lot in the residential area. So in this program, I would like you to help us with few questions which people are asking, and how it will be done. So to start with what exactly is the spring cleaning up program?
Right. So the spring cleaning program is a program that the City of Calgary undertakes to sweep up 16,000 lane kilometers of road. It usually starts mid-April, where we go out and we pre-treat the roads with water. We then come by with a sweeper, and what we ask Calgarians to do is to remove their vehicles on the scheduled days that we have for your neighborhood, so that we can sweep up the aggregate that we put on the roads for the winter operations, so that we can clean it up for summer operations, and that begins mid-April.
Mid-April till what time, sir? It goes like a couple of months?
It does. So it goes from about April till just before July is when we wrap up, depending on the weather. So if we get another snowfall or we get some other weather event, we may have to delay.
Right, sir.
But the date that we have for your street
Right.
is set. If for some reason the weather causes us to reschedule, we'll move it to the end of the sweeping season. So the end of the sweeping season is July.
Absolutely,
Yep.
sir. Now, the first step, what you said, is timings of this program, and then how do you categorize the areas? Like, it starts from a particular area or it changes every year?
So we set a schedule for the entire season from April till July, and that date you can look up on calgary.ca/sweep.
Okay.
Enter your address, and it'll tell you when. You can also sign up for a text alert, so you can get it right on your phone. It tells you when we're coming by, or you can call 311, and they'll let you know as well.
Absolutely. But do you determine to start in a particular area or in a way like every year, or it changes? Like for example, you will start in Southwest this year, or next year you will start in Southeast, or it will be the same from Southwest?
What we do is we have 9 districts where we set, and so we're sweeping the entire city at once, but we go into one area and we just schedule each of the communities, and that's set up on the website. So you just punch in your address and it'll tell you the date that we'll be by.
That's amazing. That's amazing, sir. Now there are different ways the streets are cleaned. So there are, like we have seen big sweepers coming along, and then there are a couple of trucks which move with the, like, how does it work? Like how do you clean it?
Sure. So what we do is we come by with a water truck first just to keep the dust down. It helps us sweep up the material. When that water truck comes by, then our sweepers, we usually have 3 sweepers that come by in an echelon situation where one will cover the curb and one will cover the main part of the roadway.
Right.
And then we have a 3rd sweeper that comes by as well. And they work in a special operation where they can dump their material into a tandem. That tandem then takes the material away, and we just keep continually operating from 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. Monday to Friday.
So for example, sir, now the question which comes in mind is that there will be number of cars.
Right.
Now, if the number of cars are there, the truck cannot just sweep the dust or sweep the debris under the vehicle, right?
Right.
The cars have to be moved.
They do.
So as you said, the people must get the information prior, or they can put up a alert also on their phone. But are there any signages put up by the city?
There are. So every neighborhood will have entrance signage into your area, and it'll have the date of when we will be coming by.
Right.
And so watch for that date, or you can get that text alert, or you can just call 311, or go to calgary.ca/sweep it and punch in your address. We do need help from citizens to move their vehicle, and then that makes it so much smoother for us to sweep up and clean up, and then the roads are a lot cleaner. It's easier to walk on, it's better to bike on. There's a lot of benefits. Plus the material that goes into the storm system, we can keep it from going into the storm system by sweeping it up and taking it away.
Absolutely, sir. And last time there was a big problem what people, especially in Northeast, they were facing, which I want to ask you is,
Sure.
because it's a big area, okay, there are by lanes, sub lanes, and a lot of people, maybe that area has a couple of entrances and exits, right?
Right.
So signs were put up on one side,
Yep.
and maybe other people missed it.
Okay.
So they wanted to request the city that to have more signages.
Sure.
Even in the by lanes, or where the entry or exits are.
Right.
So if there are more entry or exits, more than one going into a community, say for example, Skyview, right?
Yep.
So there are other ways you can get into Skyview. You can come from Metis, you can come from Stony. So people might miss those signs.
Sure.
So there was a request, if it is possible, if city can help us, by putting up a little bit more signs in those subdivision lanes also, so that people can see that information.
Certainly, if there is some confusion around your neighborhood when you see the signs are up, you can always contact 311 and we can request additional signs. But every major entrance to your area will be signed. It will show when the date is as far as sweeping, and you can just watch for that. But if you want to know even well in advance, you can just look it up at calgary.ca/sweep, type in your address, and it'll tell you when we'll be there. And we're not changing the dates. That date is the date we're coming by.
Right.
If for whatever reason it snows or something and we have to postpone it, we'll move you to the end of the season.
Okay.
So all the other dates for the rest of the houses in Calgary, they're all the same. If we have to miss your street, we'll come by at the end of the season and sweep at that time.
तो ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर है कि आपको सही डेट पता होनी चाहिए, ताकि आप अपनी गाड़ी को मूव कर सकें. बिकॉज अगेन, जैसे मिस्टर ट्रॉय ने कहा, इफ़ that place is not cleaned, it will be shifted to the end of the season. So it means that your street will be left as it is. तो ये एक हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है एज यू नो अ गुड समरिटन और बीइंग अ गुड नेबर दैट वी शुड मूव आवर कार्स एट द राइट टाइम व्हेन द स्वीपर्स आर देयर. एक छोटा सा ब्रेक और ब्रेक के बाद हम लोग हाजिर होंगे दोबारा से. आप देख रहे हैं प्रोग्राम कैलगरी फोकस ओनली ऑन पंजाबी नेशनल. वेलकम बैक. एक बार फिर से स्वागत हमारे प्रोग्राम कैलगरी फोकस में. आज हम बातचीत कर रहे हैं हमारे सिटी के डायरेक्टर ऑफ रोड्स मिस्टर ट्रॉय मैकलाउड से, और हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं स्प्रिंग क्लीन अप है उसके बारे में. अभी मिस्टर ट्रॉय ने बताया कि अगर आप अपनी एरिया की स्ट्रीट क्लीनिंग डेट के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो काइंडली कॉल 311 और यू कैन गो टू calgary.ca/sweep और उस पर अपना एड्रेस डालें. वहाँ पे आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी कि कब आपके एरिया की जो क्लीनिंग है वो होने वाली है. Mr. Troy, a lot of people have this kind of habit, or sometimes there are certain circumstances they forget that they have to move the vehicle, right?
Right.
Or it's a cleaning day on that, street cleaning day on that particular time and date, and they just leave the vehicle. So what happens? Like for example, there is a lane and there are 3 or 4 vehicles are still there. Rest of them they have moved it. So what is the step the city takes over there?
So what the City of Calgary does is it schedules a date for your street to be swept.
Right.
On that day at 8 a.m., the Calgary Parking Authority supports our operation, and they'll have enforcement vehicles going ahead of our vehicles.
Right.
And they'll be capturing any vehicles that are on the street starting at 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. that day. And if those vehicles are left there, unfortunately, you'll receive a tag associated with being on the street during sweeping operations.
Right.
We ask that motorists move their vehicles. You can move it to another neighborhood that's already been swept.
Right.
You can move it to your back lane or another location. So we will be out with enforcement, and then our vehicles come through. We sweep the road up. As soon as we're done sweeping, you can come back and park. So you may not have to be gone the whole day. It may only be a few hours, but from 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. we need that street available for sweeping. If you see material on the road, you need to be off the street. If you've seen the vehicle come by and it's swept up,
Right.
you can come back and park in front of your house.
There was also certain incidents I remember, sir, where there was directive last year that you can sweep the debris from there, and that also was a part of being a good citizen, right?
It is.
If your vehicle was there and you had forgotten about moving the vehicle,
Yep.
and you came in the evening and you found that the rest of the street is clean,
Yep.
especially your spot is not because your vehicle was there.
Right.
So you can clean it up and just send the photographs to the city. Is it happening this year also?
Right. So what's happening this year is if you see a vehicle that has been left and we've been by and there's material on the road, you can sweep that up, double bag it, and put it in your black bin, and the Solid Waste Services group will take it away for you. But this year what we are relying on is people to move their vehicles, and enforcement tags will be issued if you're parked on street. So there won't be any waiving of tags this year. We've gotten familiar with the operation. We know the schedule, so we want to reinforce the fact that we really need that vehicle moved, but it's only for one day.
Of course, sir. There was another question which was coming up, sir. A lot of areas they have the garbage bins
Right.
on the road.
Yes.
Right. And what if that garbage bin day, like when they come and pick the garbage up, and
Yep.
the street cleaning day is on the same time or same day?
Right.
So how people manage that?
Right. So in a case where your black bin day or your blue or green bin day is on the same day as sweeping, we ask that you put the bin on the sidewalk, not on the street. And so if you can keep the bin on the sidewalk, they have arms that reach out, it'll grab the bin on the sidewalk, no problem, it'll put it in the bin and it'll place it back on the sidewalk. That way our operators can go by and sweep the roadway.
That's amazing, sir.
Yep.
तो ये एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, अगर आप ये याद रखें कि जब भी आपको पता चले कि आपका स्ट्रीट क्लीनिंग डे कौन सा है आपके एरिया का, और अगर अनफॉर्चुनेटली आपका गार्बेज कलेक्शन डे भी सेम डे है, सो एज मिस्टर मैकलॉड सेड, आप उसको बिन्स को साइड वॉक पे रखते हैं सो दैट वो जो डिब्री है उसको क्लीन करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आए. and as Mr. Troy said, those trucks has long arms, वो उठा के वहाँ से पिक कर सकते हैं, तो आप इसकी चिंता मत करिए, and they won't be any tickets for that, you know,
No.
to like from the city that your bins were on the sidewalk.
Not at all. And you know what? If in fact you do forget and leave your bin out, what our crews end up doing is they go and move it onto the sidewalk. But we just ask you to help us. It makes it quicker. If you can just leave it on the sidewalk, we can come by, sweep without having to move that bin.
Absolutely.
But our team will go out and move the bin back if we have to.
Another thing, sir, which people really, you know, feel that they live in such areas where they don't have a back lane,
Right.
and the nowadays the areas are developing like anything. If you go and see cityscape,
Yep.
or you know, the sky view and redstone, so they are quite compact communities.
They are.
The parking is a big problem,
Okay.
big hassle. Now, where will they park? Where like if this comes up every year, do we have any place, or can city have any place where, you know, in such incidents or in such you know, programs where the cars have to be moved, there can be a road, or there can be a place where they can park the vehicle for that particular time? Just a suggestion came from one of our viewers.
Sure. There are a few options. So if you find that you don't have a space to park off street, say in an alley or on a driveway, then you can park in a nearby neighborhood. Just walk a few blocks, an area that isn't being swept that day, and so you can have your vehicle on an adjacent street. You can also park or go and do activities throughout the city. It's a good day to shop and get groceries or those kinds of things to plan for that day. So those are some other options. If you really do require some other means of traveling, you could park somewhere at an LRT or a bus area and take a bus back to your home if you really couldn't find anywhere else. But usually there's a community nearby that doesn't have sweeping that day, and you can park there for a short period of time till we come by, and then you can return your vehicle as soon as we're done sweeping.
आपको थोड़ी तकलीफ ज़रूर है, as Mr. Troy said, कि you might have to walk few blocks, couple of blocks, but it is for one day, and that is for our own safety. I will also talk to Mr. Troy about the repercussions if we don't clean the streets. आपने खुद देखा होगा कि वो जो कंकर हैं किस तरह से आपकी गाड़ी में लगकर वो उछलकर आपकी विंडशील्ड को ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. It can be very harmful. It can be, you know, it's a way you can get injured also. So there are a lot of things. If the street cleaning is not done properly, the way it should be done in you know, in particular area, then it could be harmful for a lot of people. आपके बच्चों के लिए, आपके लिए बहुत मुसीबत वाला एक काम हो सकता है, आपको इंजरी हो सकती है. तो प्लीज़, चाहे आपको एक दिन थोड़ा सा मेहनत एक्स्ट्रा करनी पड़ेगी कि आपको अपनी जो व्हीकल है थोड़ा दूरी पे खड़ी करनी पड़ेगी, लेकिन थोड़े ऑप्शंस हैं आपके पास, उसको आप पहले अमल में लाइए. एंड आई बिलीव वंस वी नो दैट अ पर्टिकुलर डे आवर स्ट्रीट विल बी क्लीन, वी कैन डेफिनेटली, you know, use our mind and think that where I can park on that particular day, right?
Right.
And I can also search for a neighborhood also.
Yeah.
Like, okay, if I'm living on you know, Skyview Street, my Skyview any other area which is not being cleaned on that day, we can go just park over there.
You can, yeah, as long as you don't park in front of someone's driveway.
And you who will know better than you, sir, how many people complain on daily basis that somebody has parked in front of my garage, or you know, they're blocking my driveway.
Right.
And I think we have to get off that. थोड़ा सा हमें लोगों को समझना चाहिए, लोगों को थोड़ा सा सहज तरीके से देखना चाहिए. वी आर लिविंग इन अ गुड कम्युनिटी. और आज हमने एक बहुत बढ़िया आर्टिस्ट से बात की थी. अगर आप रेडियो सुर संगम की वेबसाइट पे जाएं और उनके वेब पेज पे जाएं, फेसबुक पेज पे जाएं, मिस्टर जॉय सेन गुप्ता, उन्होंने भी यही बात बोली कि हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं, so we should live together, we should respect each other, we should love each other, we should not fight on the basis of religion or any reason which can be avoidable. Think as a community, think as us, not as me, which is a very important factor. एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, और ब्रेक के बाद हम दोबारा अपनी बातचीत जारी रखेंगे मिस्टर ट्रॉय से. आप देख रहे हैं कैलगरी फोकस ओनली ऑन पंजाबी नेशनल टीवी। वेलकम बैक, आपका फिर से स्वागत है हमारे प्रोग्राम कैलगरी फोकस में। आज हम बात कर रहे हैं स्ट्रीट क्लीनिंग के ऊपर, जो कि प्रोग्राम हर साल हमारे कैलगरी की स्ट्रीट्स पे ये किया जाता है ताकि जो डिब्री है उसको हटाया जाए। सर, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, एंड यू बीन इन दिस डिपार्टमेंट फॉर सो लॉन्ग, what the bad things you have seen happening because if we don't clean the debris, like what people can get with maybe injury, or what can you explain that?
I sure can. So we really appreciate Calgarians and how you move your vehicles so that we can clean up. One of the things that happens is that material that gets put on the road in the wintertime, if we don't clean it up, it ends up in our river, and that's not great for our environment. So that's one of the things. The other thing is all the particulates that when vehicles go by, it kicks up the dust, and that's not great for us to breathe in. So we want to clean that up so our environment can be clear of air. But the most important thing is the safety. That material is very slippery on the road surface. Once it's summer and springtime, it's very slippery for us to walk on or bike on. So we can see people injured by slipping on that material, so that's why we want to clean it up so it's safe for our summer operation. So we really do need your support in moving your vehicle so we can get it all cleaned up at once and taken away so you can enjoy your neighborhoods without having any fear of that material causing you to slip or fall.
That's amazing, sir. Another question which came up was, will the city be cleaning winter sanding materials of sidewalks and boulevards?
So on the sidewalks, that is the responsibility of the homeowner. We do come by and sweep it off the boulevards when it comes to a median. We'll clear it off the median, so you don't have to worry about that. The city will take care of that on a median. But if it's in front of your home, just sweep it onto the road, and we will take care of that from your sidewalk. But there's very little material on the sidewalks right now. It's mostly in the parking lanes because all the travel lanes are relatively clear. It's really just in the parking lanes and in the gutters.
Troy, sir, like new communities which are now getting built and new houses are coming up. So this year, are you do you have any idea if you have included the new communities into the street cleaning also?
Absolutely. So yeah, every community is part of our program. You can look on a map and see where your community is and when you will be swept. So you can go to calgary.ca/sweep and find out when your neighborhood will be swept and when your home in front of your home will be swept.
There are certain areas, especially in Cornerstone, which are still, the houses are getting built, and one of our friends were trying to enter there, with the zip code, but it was not coming up. So can they report somewhere that though the address is there, their house is there, but still like a lot of construction is going on around that house? Is that particular street included in the program or not? So if it is not coming in the map, can they talk to 311 or report them?
So what you can do if your community hasn't been transferred over to the city of Calgary,
Right.
It would be taken care of by the developer.
Okay.
But you can contact 311 and just ask them and say, is my neighborhood part of the city? Does the city maintain my neighborhood? And they can answer that question for you, or they'll put you in touch with us and we can answer that question for you.
That's amazing. That's amazing. तो आप ध्यान रखें और अपनी जो एरिया की स्ट्रीट क्लीनिंग डेट है उसको ज़रूर मार्क करें. अगेन calgary.ca/sweep, वहाँ पर जो पेज आएगा उस पर आप अपना एड्रेस डालें तो द डेट विल कम अप, और उसको आप कहीं कैलेंडर पे मार्क करके रखें. एज अ कैलगेरियन, it's our responsibility also to give back to the city so that they don't have any problems in doing their programs which are for us. अगर हम अपना पार्ट पूरी तरह से प्ले करेंगे तो सिटी को भी कोई तकलीफ़ नहीं होगी, उनकी नुमाइंदों को कोई तकलीफ़ नहीं होगी, और वो अच्छी तरह से हमारी स्ट्रीट को क्लीन कर पाएंगे. ये हमारा भी दायित्व बनता है कि हम इस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखते हुए उनकी हेल्प करें. एज अ कैलगेरियन वी हैव टू मेक दैट happen so that we don't get into any kind of trouble also. हमें टिकट नहीं मिले, हमारी जो स्ट्रीट है वो प्रॉपर क्लीन हो, जो हमारे नेबर्स हैं दे डोंट मेक एनी फेसेस, बिकॉज दैट्स अनदर थिंग, यू नो, इफ माय कार इज देयर माय नेबर मेक अ फेस दैट व्हाई डिड यू मूव योर कार, राइट?
Right.
बिकॉज स्टिल द डेब्री इज देयर, राइट?
Yeah.
एंड रात को फिर हमें खुद को क्लीन करना पड़ता है। तो अगर सिटी हमारे लिए ये काम कर रही है तो प्लीज़ आप इस चीज़ का ज़रूर ध्यान रखें। Mr. Troy, thank you so much for coming to the show again and giving your valuable comments and information. Before we end today's program, what you would like to say to the viewers and our listeners, please?
All right. Well, first, I'd like to thank Mr. Amrit for his great dedication to the community and getting this message out to you. We sure appreciate your support in helping us with spring cleanup. It's exciting for us to now get outside. It's been a long winter, and we're looking forward to more activities on the streets. So we just ask that you help us by moving your vehicle on the day that we'll be by, and to get out and enjoy your neighborhood and keep safe space between you and others for now until we can all enjoy things once we're past this pandemic. So thank you everyone for all your commitment to keeping everyone safe, and we look forward to serving you this spring with spring cleanup.
That's amazing. Thank you so much once again, sir. मैं इजाज़त लेता हूँ आपसे और अगले वीक दोबारा आपसे जुड़ूंगा। आप देख रहे हैं प्रोग्राम कैलगरी फोकस ओनली ऑन पंजाबी नेशनल टीवी। टेक केयर, थैंक यू, हैव अ सेफ वीक।